All right, let's talk about Robinhood for a little bit. If you guys watching the news, Robinhood recently get a fine from FINRA that they have to pay $70 million for misleading the customer. So what is that $70 million fine for misleading the customer? So here's the thing. This is one of the few things that I really frustrate from Robinhood. Number one, guy, if you remember back then, like several months ago, of the big problem when Robinhood, they have that outage and they have that battle between the Wall Street and the Reddit, and Robinhood, they basically stop people, retail investor, trading on GameStop, Nokia, BlackBerry, and a bunch of other stock, right? It's like people betting so much onto those stock, and Robinhood stopped them. They don't allow them to purchase more. And guess what happened? People lose a lot of money. And after that, Robinhood make a bunch of excuses, you know, that they have this problem and that problem. And now that is one of the big problems. Back then, Robinhood, they do some sneaky thing behind the scenes somehow, okay? And now they have that $70 million fine. The second thing that Robinhood do that I don't really like, okay, even though the second thing Robinhood do that I don't really like is basically Robinhood, every single time, I don't know why, every single time those coins, they're about to spike. I don't know what happened. Robinhood always stop somehow the spike of those coins. They always do that, maintaining all the time. I don't know how many times during a month they do the maintaining for those coins. So I find that kind of weird. So those are the two things. And the third thing is they are misleading the customer based on the article with this. There is an article online that say that this one guy, he actually suicide is because during the battle between the Wall Street and the Reddit, somehow he invests into GameStop or something like that. He owes $720,000 that Robinhood told him that he owed on that account, on his account. But in the reality is he only owed Robinhood like $300-something thousand. But on the account of Robinhood, it doesn't show accurate. So this man, he literally freaked out and he don't know how to repay back his debt. So he makes some crazy move by suicide. So those are a few things. Robinhood, somehow they misleading you know, the customer. Second thing is you know, of all the GameStop thing, Nokia, and a bunch of other stock that they're not really transparent. But I really hope that Robinhood, their management, their customer service is really changed, and I hope that in the future that you know, their customer service and the operation, everything is really changed, because I still think that Robinhood, that their platform is really user friendly. But those are a few things as a customer I don't really like about Robinhood. I really wish that the operation is more streamlined. They understand more about their customer, and they start to really think more in depth about their customer, really more. Don't do, you know, all the crazy thing when, you know, those coins spike again, and stop those coins from spike, okay? And the other thing is make it more transparent, you know, support retail investor more. You know, if next time whether GameStop, Nokia, or any other stock is spike, and whatever amount of people they want to bet in, you know, don't stop them, you know. And if you do stop them, give them a valid reason, okay? Instead of just like stop them for a long time, because by doing that, they lose a lot of momentum for the retail trader, okay? Well, anyway, guys, if you guys still want to invest into the Robinhood, still want to buy stock and trade in crypto on Robinhood, then totally fine. You can invest with Robinhood. But based on my experience, if I have to start over again, I probably gonna go with Webull, because Webull is really convenient, and they have the advanced platform and simple platform as well. Just like Robinhood, they allow you to trade stock, they allow you to trade crypto as well. And I think Webull, the customer service is really nice. It's more transparent. And if you ever want to play stock, Webull, they also allow you to play after hour. That means after 3 or 4 p.m. they still allow you to buy stock, but Robinhood, they don't allow you that. And the second thing is, if you want to invest in stock before the hour, which means you wake up early, 4 a.m. in the morning, 5, 6, 7 a.m., they still allow you to purchase stock, right? And by doing that, I think sometimes you have a lot of benefit, because some stock, if you purchase early, you can get in at a early better price, okay? And if right now, if you decide to join like Webull, I'm saying this, all this thing right here, because I have both accounts. I have Webull, I have Robinhood too. So whatever account that you choose is really up on you. But in my personal experience, I really think that Webull platform is better. But Robinhood platform is more user-friendly. But Webull is still very user-friendly to buy crypto, invest into stock, and they have more better customer service, because you can call the number and Webull is able to assist you as well. So if you decide to go with Webull to purchase stock or invest into crypto like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, thing like that, then try out Webull, because I think in July, Webull have a very special promotion that if you sign up for Webull, okay, if you sign up with the link below, my link below for Webull, basically what you have is you open an account with Webull. You don't have to deposit anything. They give you up to $800 of one free stock, okay? So if you just open an account, they give you up to $800. But if after that, up to $800 of one free stock, but after that, if you deposit just $5 or $10, they give you another free stock, the value up to $2,000. When I say up to $2,000, it doesn't mean they're gonna give you a $2,000 stock. It could be like $10, $20, or it could be all the way up to $2,000. So they basically give you two free stock, okay? One stock is, the value is up to $800, and another stock, when you just make a small deposit, like $5 or $10, then they're gonna give you another free stock up to $2,000. So two free stock. I think it's a great deal. You cannot get that from Robinhood, okay? So try it out, and if you use the link below for mine, I greatly appreciate that. I think it's really cool sharing some of the information like this with you guys. But like I say, if you start using Robinhood, expect those things. I really hope, please, Robinhood, I hope that you guys, really change in the future, make it a lot better for the user, so we can experience more and talk better, about Robinhood based on our personal experience. Good luck, guys, and always invest like a genius.